Have you ever heard of the Jigsaw Killer? This isn't a movie plot. It's the chilling, true story of Jeffrey Howe at 49. Jeffrey was a successful businessman known by his brother as a kind and charming man who loved life. He generously let a friend, Stephen Marshall, a 38-year-old bodybuilder, stay in his apartment rent-free. But this act of kindness would have a horrific end. Marshall murdered Jeffrey in his own home. He then dismembered the body and scattered the parts across 2 different counties, sparking a massive police investigation. For weeks, Marshall played the concerned friend, using Jeffrey's phone and bank cards while lying to everyone, including the police, about his whereabouts. But the web of deceit eventually unraveled. Faced with overwhelming evidence, Marshall finally confessed to the gruesome crime. He was sentenced to life in prison, leaving behind a legacy of betrayal and a truly shocking case. Thanks for watching.